What is going on, Kip family? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are not working on the GM Ecotech engine. On today's video, guys, I want to bring you in, and we have a problem because, like you guys already know, we're missing female Torx sockets, which we would have to order. One of my friends thought he had it, but he does not. And this is what we're dealing with today. We have a bunch of random sockets, a bunch of random tools all over the place, and it's hard to find the sizes I want, what I want. Again, I'm not a tool expert by no means, but it's getting harder to work on this engine because I got just tools everywhere and I'm not organized, and I never was with these tools because I don't have the right storage places for them. Like this one right here, even though I have the right storage places for them, these things never stay put and always look like this when I open this container. I'm also trying to organize standard and metric sizes. You know, I never really understood those, so I'm going to try to separate those and have maybe a chart that I can print out comparing the sizes from the metric and the standard, so I'm well aware of what I'm using. Like you guys know, I was using the wrong sizes on the crank bolt and stripped it a little bit on the engine right here. So I'm just gonna try my best right now just to take everything off, organize it, and then we'll try to see what we can use to make this work so it's a lot easier for me and it's a lot easier for the channel. Alright guys, so the first step is complete. We segregated the no-name random sockets right here. We got the extensions, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and what is this, a quarter inch extension. We got some swivelly parts here. We got a few swivels. We got 3/8 ratchets. And I want to get onto the Husky set. This is a Husky tool set, and I gotta organize this, and I gotta make sure this thing stays in the way it needs to be put, so it's a lot more organized. So let's try to do that right now. We'll just dump all this out, I guess, and start fresh. What a mess. guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was definitely a lot of work, but it is nice to see everything organized. So hopefully all these tools organized will help me create better content, work faster with the motor, and yeah, let's get this stuff done. So we'll see you on the next video, guys. Again, if you are new, consider subscribing to the channel, support your boy, and we can only go up from here, do cooler things. So we'll see you on the next one.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.